Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a logout on ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about here ChatGPT and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.